Morning students. Next topic is we can study about the Froth flotation method. We can separate the metals from gangue or matrix. So we can separate the metals from various methods. First method we can study about Froth flotation process. This method is commonly used to concentrate sulfide ores such as galena, zinc blend. In this method, the metallic ore particles which are preferentially wetted by oil can be separated from gangue. That means sulfide ores, concentrate sulfide ores we can separate in this method. So metallic ore particles we can apply the wetted oil, wetted by the oil. Oil can be fine oil, eucalyptus oil. So we can separate from gangue, from pure metals. In this method, the crushed ore is suspended in water and mixed with fourthing agent such as fine oil, eucalyptus oil. That means crushed ore means we can grind the metals, that is called as crushed ore. So crushed, suspended in water. So the crushed ores we can suspended in water and mixed with the fourthing agent, that means fine oil, eucalyptus oil, we can mix it. A small quantity of sodium ethyl anthet which act as the collector is also added. So a fourthing is generated by blowing air through this mixture. So how we can get the pure air? So first of all we can add the water, then mix the fourthing agent fine oil, eucalyptus oil, then we can add the sulfate ores then addition a small quantity sodium ethyl anthetide. So it is also collector from pure sulfide ores. So we can apply the blowing air through this mixture. So the collector molecules attach to the ore particles and make them water repellent. So as a result, ore particles wetted by the oil rise to the surface along with the froth. So these smallest particles mixed with the pine oils or eucalyptus oils, it come up surface of the vessel, these fine particles, that means metallic crushed particles. So the fourth is skimmed off and dried to recover the concentrated ore. So the gangue particles that are preferentially wetted by water settle at the bottom, so that the gangue can be settled down and pure sulfide ore is came up surface of the vessel. We can get from another vessel the concentrate sulfide ores. So in this method we can separate the sulfide ores, then only we can get the pure metals. So when a sulfide ore of metal of interest contains other metal sulfides as impurities, depressing agents such as sodium cyanide, sodium carbonate, etc. are used selectively prevent other metal sulfides from coming to the froth. So for example, when impurities such as zinc sulfide is present in galena, sodium cyanide is added to depresses the flotation property of zinc sulfide by forming layer zinc complex Na2Zn Cn 4 times on the surface of zinc sulfide. So in the mixture வந்து upside மேலே particles வந்து மிதக்கும், அந்த particles தான் fine particles, concentrated ores, அது வந்து separate ஆகி உங்களுக்கு பியூராக கிடைக்கும். This is called as fourth flotation process. Next type we can separate the metals. Leaching means washing. We can add solubility we can add the, already you know that solubility means solute plus solvent, solute plus solvent, you know that solvent means water. So we can soluble the amount of solute soluble in the solvent, so in aqueous medium. So this method is based on the solubility of the ore is suitable solvent and the reaction in aqueous solution. In this method, the crushed ore is allowed to dissolve in suitable solvent. The metal present in the ore is converted into its soluble salt or complex, while the gangue remains insoluble. So the following complex illustrate the leaching process. So many process leaching. So the concept of leaching means soluble of crushed or fine particles of metallic ores dissolve in suitable solvent. So then only we can get the pure metals. Which one is soluble in the solvent, that is called as metallic ore. Other gangue or flux insoluble in the water. This is the process of leaching. We can study more methods of leaching. First one is cyanide leaching. Let us consider the concentration of gold ore as an example. The crushed ore of gold is leached with aerated dilute solution of sodium cyanide. Gold is converted into soluble cyanide complex. The gangue aluminosilicate remains insoluble. So first we can dissolve the crushed ore of gold dissolved in cyanide. The cyanide can be the gold can be soluble in the cyanide. Both are mixed, but insoluble, the gangue will be removed. Then recovery of metal of interest from the complex by reduction. Then reduction, we can remove the gangue or matrix. So again the gold can be recovered by leaching the deaxygenated leaching solution with the zinc. So we can remove the zinc from gold. In this process, the gold is reduced to its metal, that means elemental state, zero oxidation state, and the process is called cementation. So zinc reacts with the gold cyanide to give the zinc cyanide. So the cyanide can be combined with the zinc to form a zinc cyanide, and the gold can be reduced in separate state. This is called as leaching of first process, cyanide leaching. Next one is ammonia leaching. Ammonia leaching means when again we can take crushed ore containing a nickel, copper or cobalt is treated with aqueous ammonia. Under suitable pressure, ammonia selectively leaches these metals by forming their soluble complex ammonia, nickel. So we can take the crushed ore of nickel, copper and cobalt. So already previous process, cyanide mixed with gold, we can separate it. Like that ammonia leaching. Ammonia combined with these fine particles of or crushed ores of metals, nickel, copper combined with ammonia. Then we can remove the gangue respectively from the ore, leaving behind the gangue. Iron 3 oxides or hydroxides or aluminosilicates. These are gangues removed. Then alkali leaching. Alkali means you know that sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is the we called as alkali. So alkali leaching. So we can mixed with the crushed ore mixed with aqueous alkali to form soluble complex. For example, bauxite. Bauxite is the ore of aluminum. An important ore aluminum is heated with the solution of sodium hydroxide or sodium carbonate in the temperature range 470 to 520 Kelvin at 35 atmospheric to form soluble sodium meta-aluminate, leaving behind the impurities, iron oxides, titanium oxide. So sodium meta-aluminate. This is the alkali leaching. Again sodium meta-aluminate. We can combine with carbon dioxide, we can get bauxite. Again, these precipitate filtered and heated around 1670 Kelvin to get pure aluminum chloride, aluminum oxide. Again, we can apply the refining of aluminum, we can get pure aluminum. So this is the process of another process, alkali leaching. Then we can study about acid leaching. So leaching of sulfide ores such as zinc sulfide, lead sulfide, then it can be done by treating them with hot aqueous sulfuric acid. Acid, we know that lot of acids. First they can take, first one is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is the king of chemicals. So then it can be added crushed ore, combined sulfide can be converted into sulfate to remove the gang sulfide water. This is the insoluble sulfide converted into soluble sulfate and elemental sulfur. This is the acid leaching. So leaching means solubility. You know that already. What is meant by solubility? So leaching means washing. So solute soluble in the solvent. We can get the which one is soluble in the solvent, that is called as crushed ore. We can get pure metals. So the insoluble substance only we called as gangue or matrix. Thank you, students.